When your Hisense Xumo TV won't turn on, start with these basic checks. First, ensure the TV is plugged into a working power outlet. Next, locate the power button on the TV itself. It might be on the front, back, or underneath the Hisense logo. Check your remote control. Replace the batteries and make sure there are no obstructions between the remote and TV. Try power cycling the TV. Unplug it from the wall, wait 60 seconds, then plug it back in. For a more thorough reset, try an extended power cycle. Unplug the TV, hold the power button for 15 to 30 seconds, then wait another minute before plugging back in. You can also power cycle the remote. Remove the batteries, hold the power button for 30 seconds, then reinsert the batteries. Make sure the TV is on the correct input or source channel. Also check your breaker box to see if any breakers have tripped. If the remote still isn't working, try repairing it. The process varies depending on your remote type, but typically involves holding specific button combinations. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Hisense Xumo TV issues, a factory reset may be necessary. This process will restore your TV to its original settings. A factory reset will wipe your personal preferences and sign you out of all apps, but your subscriptions and purchases will remain intact. The first method uses the TV's settings menu. Navigate to Settings, then Device Settings, and select Restore Factory Settings. You may need to enter your parental control PIN. The second method uses the physical panel button on your TV. Locate the panel button on the bottom of the TV, hold it for 30 to 35 seconds, then release and wait up to a minute for the reset to complete. Some Hisense TVs have a reset pinhole on the back panel. Use a paperclip to press and hold the reset button for 15 to 20 seconds until the TV restarts. Another method involves using the remote's exit button. Turn on the TV, press and hold the exit button for 15 seconds. When the factory service menu appears, select OK, then turn off the TV, wait 20 seconds, and turn it back on. For Hisense Roku TVs, press the Home button, navigate to Settings, then System, then Advanced System Settings, select Factory Reset Everything, and enter the 4-digit code displayed on screen. For Android TVs, go to Settings, Device Preferences, Reset, then Erase Everything. For Vita TVs, go to Settings, Support, Reset to Factory Default, optionally check the box to preserve channels, then click Restore and enter the reset PIN. Remember, you have multiple factory reset options available, including methods that work even without a functioning remote control. Choose the method that works best for your specific Hisense TV model.